3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. So the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, 3. We're gonna start dipping our shoulders. We do a side basic, left hand over, 5, and drop it to the right hand. 6, 7. So now I'm gonna get off this log. Give her a carry through. Walk. 1, 2, 3. Left hand goes over the head as the right hand flicks. 5. I'm starting to turn to the right all the way around. 6, 7. Catching the hand. And I'm off this log completely. So I'm going to let go of the left, and we're going to go back to back 2 times. So we're going to go back to back on 1, bring the hand down 2, back to back on 3, and then keep going over her head 5. One more time with the head, start on the shoulder 6, right turn on 7. Now we're going to leave the hand to the rib cage, side basic. 1, 2, we're going to do 1.5 turns to the left, 3, catch with the right hand, follow 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to give her a walk over to the half left. 1, 2, 3, chop, 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 hammerlock, and salsa to 6, 7. So now we're going to be grabbing her on 1, hook on 2, over the head 3, and we're going to push it down, and then keep turning to the right 5, 6, 7, now body 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, carry through. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do the 3.5 left, so turn right away. 1, 2, 3, ta, 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 6, 7. We're going to set the place over 1, side 2, good roll 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a walk for 2.5 left. 1, 2, 3, ta, 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 6, 7. Now 1.5 right, forward 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Goes ready. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Hi guys, it's Angie from Casa Salsa. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out our other free videos with tips and tricks for the dance floor. Make sure you subscribe to the link below so you don't miss any of our new upcoming content. And if you look in the description, you'll find a link to our website to get access to exclusive content. And if you want to take a live class with us, you can do so as well. Link on the description. See you next time.